5 o'clock in the morning. Cats are in for breakfast. Set facing shadow. Ras behind the cat house. Gerda on a chair. It's just another morning, but I'm absolutely heartbroken about Juliet, who came back yesterday so skinny and her leg is broken. Bone sticks out. She can hardly move. She was probably laying low somewhere for entire time. And I don't know what to do to help her. My poor animals. I wish I knew, but it's a very hard situation.